So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I will start with the slip knot and I will chain 11. So in the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make a slip stitch. In the next chain I'm gonna make one single crochet. I will follow in the next stitch with 1/2 double crochet and the next chain, not stitch, I will make one double crochet. In the next two chains I'm gonna make one treble each. Then I will reduce to the next chain with one double crochet. In the next chain 1/2. The next one single crochet and one slip stitch. I'll chain one and I'll turn. So where I did the slip stitch, I'm gonna slip stitch again. In the previous single crochet, I will make one single crochet. Then in the half, I'm gonna make 1/2 double crochet. I will follow with one double. Then one treble in the next two. Oops. One treble. One double crochet in the next one. One half in the next one. One single crochet in the following one. And finally a slip stitch in the last one. And fasten off. And that's how you make a simple and easy leaf. So you can make this leaf as big or as small as you want it. Just few tips for you. If you want a leaf which is thinner and smaller, use a smaller hook with the same yarn. For example, here I used 5.5. You can use 4mm crochet hook, 4.5, even 3.5 if you want. So you'll get a smaller one. Or you can simply use a thinner yarn. If you want a big leaf, much bigger than this, then you do the double number of the initial chain. We did 12 here. So if you want a bigger one, you will make, let's say, 24. Then the slip stitch will be 2 slip stitch, 2 single crochet, 2 half, 2 double in one double in the next two. That's what I mean. And the trebles will be one in the next 4 instead of the next 2, and so on. So this is how to make it quick and useful for many different projects, and I hope you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.